Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We'll be looking at a Max Olympiad problem. So here the question is given if x plus y plus z equal to 7, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, xyz equal to 5, then find the value of sigma 1 by x into y plus z. So here some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here the question is given. So here what is given? So x plus y plus z is equal to 7. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. So here x, y, z is equal to 5. So first of all, you have to find sigma 1 by x into y plus z. So first, what is sigma notation? You will get three values. 1 by x. So sigma, if you remove 1 by x into y plus z plus 1 by y into z plus x plus 1 by z into x plus y. So this is the value you are getting. So here you will get y by x plus z by x plus z by y plus x by y plus x by z plus y by z value. So to get this type of product, so here what you have to do is you have to multiply with its reciprocal. First you have to multiply with its reciprocal. First you have to find 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value. So this is our target to find out. First of all, 1 by x value, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z value. So first of all, what we'll do, x plus y plus 7 now, y plus z equal to 7 now. X plus y plus z equal to 7. First we'll do squaring on both sides. So here what will get x plus y plus z whole square is equal to 7 square. So here a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 of xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 49 now. Now you know already this value is given 9. 9 plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 49 now. So 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 49 minus 9. xy plus yz xy plus yz plus zx equal to 40 by 2. Taking 2 this side, 40 by 2 you are getting 20. Now let it be 4. Three equations are given, let it be 4. Now dividing this value, dividing 4 by 3. Dividing 4 by 3. So xy plus yz plus zx divided by xyz divided by xyz, you will get 20 by 5. You are getting 4. Now if you take here xy by xyz plus yz by xyz plus zx by xyz equal to 4. So 1 by z plus 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 4. Now multiply, let it be 5. 1 and 5. Multiply 1 and 5. So what is 1 here? X plus y plus z. And 5 is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So here 7 into 4. Multiplying the RHS values. Now if you multiply this, x by x plus x by y plus x by z plus y by x plus y by y plus y by z plus z by x plus z by y plus z by z is equal to 28. 7 4 28. So here x by x cancel, 1 will get, y by x y cancel, 1 will get, z by z cancel, 1 will get. Now x by y plus x by z plus y by x plus y by z plus z by x plus z by y is equal to 28 minus 3. Now here the numbers which are having x, denominator x we are taking 1 by x common, y plus z. The denominators which are having y common, denominator y into z plus x. The denominators which are z common, 1 by z into x plus y is equal to 25. Now this can be written as sigma 1 by x into y plus z is equal to 25. So I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.